Xhosa liqembu like Wu-Tang. Speed is on 100 kathula siyaphutha. Xhosa ligama. I've been gone for like 10 years, but now I'm back, they know my name. Since I'm always serious, now they wanna know my age. Vegan a Vegas land, pocket you well, I tell my boss I 12. I was just selling this clothes, dressing this host, breaking the bread with my bros. But to sign LA ghost, but when I would post it, tell my story, bang and dance. I was inspired in lives, and I said casting, okay, represents the mass. If I just sit in my crowd with pedals and piles, real niggas don't die, they just mighty powers, they telling lies. I was so disappointed when I saw myself nailed with tiles. I was eating so unhealthy, yeah, my partner, sick your pies. Now I'm out here for the business, let me advertise. Ngiba amaqobo banxiba imidovu, local is lekker zinika zidomo. Tsoma kakhulu ngabuza no blow, ngibe kwashit enganika izidovu. Why so serious? Don't call me bro, you ain't proud of us. Why we got going, I'm proud of us. We got emotion, you'll never mind. Classy shit, jala scrutinize. We are low back in summer Mars. 15 cars broke, well I'm a blast. Build this shit with my own hands, so I don't care if I'm recognized. Better view this shit with your own eyes. We a gambler, mentally dies. Opposite energy energize me. Got the best flow cause in cool and jive. Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new value. Bass pretender, money being new man. Even though they ain't bonanga, so this lal is not younger. Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new value. Bass pretender, money being new man. Even though they ain't bonanga, so this lal is not younger.
I fell in love with a match from the day I was born. Back into me girl t-shirt tone. I don't know how my oldest does it. 247 and mashing it walk. Don't ask why I don't need pork. I do it for the cause. I love my badge. Oh man, I love this thing. Show me the way, let me get out his hands. True color show when I see my blow. It's a big bang if I switch that. Hey, apple and one. Who's a nickel bow? I ain't got a poop. From a scale I can say that I'm cool, but it's also be Kabul 7K4. It mess any belly go get history any more fish flow. English and funny not dead, you know. I always get 80 or more. Miss V, I booze you done this before. I feel like it's deep in my core. Music is deep in my core, so you better know I want to force. Alright, let's get it.
Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new value. Bass pretender, money being new man. Even though they ain't bonanga, so this lal is not younger. Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new value. Bass pretender, money being new man. Even though they ain't bonanga, so this lal is not younger. I just can't relax, I'm dropping this hits that these niggas can't get. I just feel like I'm flaming up a pen and speaking no Navgator slang gang. Music is in my blood, they feeling my songs when I'm having a nosebleed. Nigga and Koki, check out my DMs, now nigga and phone, you see my gas and I peli timbers or peli zombie. Music is where my hope is, booze or weed. I had to choose my own thing. The old fashioned industry owe me, they stealing my style, but they telling the story. Born as an artist and Koki, while we got going, I started on Snoggy. Still with the taste, but I'm finding the stogie. With the original, going for the whole thing. Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new value. Bass pretender, money being new man. Even though they ain't bonanga, so this lal is not younger.